Hello and welcome to this lesson where I'm going to be talking about euphoria and overconfidence. I'm going to talk about how it affects us in our trading and let's get to it. After a win, it feels like everything is easy, like we've figured it out, like we can't lose, right? We feel powerful. That feeling is dangerous because it's not clarity, that is euphoria. And we lose our ability to perceive risk. Because what happens when we trade? We take a win, right? We get that euphoric feeling that we are overconfident and we can't almost lose. So what do we do after that? We take extra trades after a win. We increase our risk or our position size. We break rules because we feel confident and closing trades early to avoid a loss. This is what happens as an effect in our trading. And the truth is this: euphoria is just as dangerous as fear. There's a feeling of fear. I don't want to lose that trade. I don't want to lose the money. FOMO, and there's euphoria. These emotions, these chemicals that's happening inside of our body. The only difference between those two is that if euphoria, it feels good, right? It feels like we are listening to music and we are happy and we are jumpy. But both of those, the fear and euphoria and the overconfidence, they have the same uh, consequence, which is that they take us away from the process. We don't lose because we don't know. We lose because we feel. We're letting our emotions control our decision making. When we feel euphoria, this is so important. We lose our ability to perceive risk. We lose our ability to perceive risk. Some people get this euphoric feeling when they've stopped drinking coffee for a while and they start drinking coffee and they get the euphoric feeling. When you get that euphoric feeling, don't make any decisions during that time. Get back to base level, be even keeled, and then you can make a decision. Because we can't trust ourselves when we are way too upset, and we can't trust ourselves when we are way too happy, right? So the solution here, what is the solution? I have this picture right here, cow standing in the rain, just being stoic. A win does not change the process, the system that we are using, and a loss does not change the plan as well. So a win or a loss should not even phase you, should not even change your decision making or anything else because it's like a cow standing in the rain. It just is. All right, because I just followed the process. And eventually, by doing this, the euphoria and the overconfidence will get smaller and smaller and smaller. Why? Because you will get euphoria and overconfidence from the process eventually. You will get dopamine from just following the process because you know that that is the thing that will bring you success at the end. So let's recap short with this video. In this lesson, I covered three things: that wins creates overconfidence, euphoria leads to breaking rules, and we have a hard time perceiving risk, and how it does not really matter. Wins or losses does not matter. The only thing that matters at the end is the process itself. Short lesson check-in. Take a moment to think about how are you acting after winning a trade. Maybe it's not one win, it's not two wins, maybe it's three wins in a row and you get that euphoric feeling. So one sentence is enough. Feel free to share it below if you feel comfortable with that. And as always, follow me on YouTube, Instagram, and in the school community. And I will love it if you left a comment or a review on one of the YouTube videos. It will really help out the algorithm to boost the YouTube videos to the other people also wanting to learn trading, just as yourself. All right. Take care and talk to you on the next lesson. Bye.